First goal Eberechi Eze scored, assist by Sarr. Man City 0, now Crystal Palace 1. Crystal Palace leading 1-0 Man City at Etihad Stadium. We will see second goal. Carlos Richard's goal. Crystal Palace scored second goal. Crystal Palace 2, Man City 1. Kevin De Bruyne scored. What a free kick. Amazing free kick Kevin De Bruyne scored. Man City, Omar Marmoush, goal. 2-3. Man City come back to 3-2. Crystal Palace is 2. Man City for third goal. Kovacic scored. Man City 4, Palace 2. Makate, goal. Man City 4-2. Crystal Palace. Fifth goal, Man City. Orle scored. The game is over. Man City won 5-2. Crystal Palace defeated by comeback of Man City. This comeback of Man City, amazing comeback of Man City. First goal of Kevin De Bruyne from free kick. Then Omar Marmoush scored 2-2. After that, Kovacic 3-2 leading goals. Makate 4th goal and Orle 5th goal. Man City won Crystal Palace at Etihad Stadium 5-2. What a night for Man City. What a day for Man City. This comeback is super good. Good comeback from Man City.